Crazy Chef, big vibe today. So today we're making jerk biscuit. So we're gonna take a regular biscuit recipe that I created. We're gonna put a vibe on there and we're making jerk biscuit. So in a bowl, I added my flour, I added baking powder, salt, I added some sugar, some baking soda, and some butter. And for a detailed description of all the ingredients, just look in the description below. So I added all my ingredients, and then I'm gonna add the main ingredient, the main vibe, which is some dried jerk sauce. We put that together, and what you wanna do is you wanna take your fingers and you wanna combine all ingredients together. So Crazy Chef, big vibe today with the jerk biscuits. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna serve that up with some callaloo. Yes, so you can serve it with whatever you want. You can make some gravy, you can serve it whatever you want, sausages, whatever you want. You can have your biscuit however you want to do them, but on this vibe we're gonna serve it up with some callaloo. So soon as your batter starts getting a breadcrumb consistency, so what happens is, reason why you do it with the fingers or you do it with a fork is, what happens is you incorporate air into the mixture. You also spread the butter around for a more buttery flavored biscuit. So do that together, then we're gonna mix it up and we're gonna roll it out, and I'm gonna show you how to fold it up so you get a nicer, better biscuits. And if you don't wanna jerk biscuit, all you gotta do is not put the jerk spice in and you can have regular biscuit. But fantastic recipe, big vibe, and just wait for it. It's fantastic vibe. So Crazy Chef, hit that like button. If it's your first time here, you wanna hit that red subscribe button because we bring a vibe. So what you wanna do, you wanna take the palm of your hand and slowly push your biscuit and fold each time. Each time you fold it, you get a more flakier, more fluffier biscuit. So push it with the palm of your hands, fold, and then what you wanna do is you wanna get a cookie cutter or a glass to the size of how big you want your biscuits to be, and you'll mold your biscuit. So big vibe with the biscuits. So we've created our dough. What we're gonna do now is punch our biscuits through. So whatever you want to do, if you have a cookie cutter, it's better. I'm using a shot glass and I'm getting it's pretty good result. See how thick those biscuits look? Look at that, perfect. See that? Nice. See how flaky that looks? So big vibe with the jerk biscuits. And I preheated my oven. So I preheated my oven at 400. You want it to be really hot. So 400, and I'm gonna bake my biscuits for 15 minutes at 400 degrees or until they're golden brown. Don't bake them too much, and you can't bake them in like a low temperature. You want it to be nice and hot. Put them in there, bake them up, and you usually want to bake your biscuit with something that has sides so your biscuit can lean, because they tend to get puffy and they'll fall over. So put them in your oven, 400 for 15 minutes, and I'm gonna work on my callaloo. So big vibe with the jerk biscuit. At about 10 minutes, I'm gonna brush them. About 10 minutes, I'm gonna take them out, I'm gonna brush them, and I'm gonna show you that type of vibe. So as I said, if you haven't hit that like button yet, hit that like button. If it's your first time here and you haven't hit that red subscribe button, you might want to hit that red subscribe button. So this is our biscuit. We brush them again with some butter and some jerk spice, and we're gonna put them in. We're gonna shut our oven off, and we're just gonna let them rest. So look how good that looks. Yes, those looks beautiful. Those looks delicious. Look how flaky that look. Big vibe with the jerk biscuit. Crazy Chef, big vibe.